Solution. So everyone, what we are given here is sum दिया हुआ है नंबर 1 रेसिप्रोकल का. Let us solve it. Everybody, since we know that number is equal to x as per the question, reciprocal is equal to 1 upon x. Therefore x plus 1 upon x is equal to 13 upon 6. Solving, x is the LCM. This is x squared plus 1 is equal to 13 upon 6. In this way, cross multiplication, 6x square plus 1 is equal to 13x. Now 6x squared minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. Again, you can see here, this is a quadratic equation, so 6 is the 36. 36 such factors that make the sum as 30. So 83 are no, so 6 6 are 3 12 3 are no, this is also not. Everyone, we need to calculate it. In that case, x would be equal to minus p plus minus under root b upon 2a. It will give us माइनस p के प्लेस पे 13 प्लस हो गया है प्लस माइनस अंडर रूट b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac. सो b स्क्वायर के प्लेस पे 13 स्क्वायर 169 माइनस 4 इंटू ac. तो 36 इंटू 4 अपॉन 2a के प्लेस पे 6 इंटू 2 इज इक्वल टू 13 प्लस माइनस 169 माइनस 144 अपॉन 12 is equal to 13 plus minus 5 and 25 under root upon 12 would be equal to 13 plus minus 5 upon 12. It will give us 18 upon 12 or 8 upon 12. So now it will give us 9 to ja. It means 3 by 2. 3 and 6 to ja 12. Right. Or 2 upon 3. These are two answers. Alright everyone. What we need to understand here is we are given that sum of a number and its reciprocal is 13 upon 6. So we need to calculate the number. What is the sum? Here you may see that we may suppose let number is x then as per the question reciprocal would be 1 upon x and sum of 2 x plus 1 upon x would be equal to 13 upon 6. Taking LCM, x is LCM, so x square plus 1 is equal to 13 upon 6. Cross multiplication 6 into x square plus 1 into 13 into x. Taking into the left hand side, 6x square minus 13x plus 6 is equal to 0. Applying the formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b, where b stands for b square minus 4ac. And standard equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So comparing this equation with the given equation, तो यहाँ पर माइनस बी के प्लेस पे प्लस 13 हो जाएगा, प्लस माइनस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac के मतलब 13 स्क्वायर इंटू 6 is 36 into 4. Finally you may calculate it. 13 plus minus 169 minus 144 upon 12 would be equal to 13 plus minus under root 25 upon 12. 13 plus minus 5 upon 12. In this way 18 upon 12 or 8 upon 12. Solving 3 upon 2 or 2 upon 3 is our answer. Now question number next. Sum of two positive integers square is 61. Find out the solution. Students, what we are given here, sum of two positive integers square. Alright, right? And this what I want, consecutive. Two positive and consecutive. Square. Let integers r and x and x plus 1. These are two integers. According to question, x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 61, because sum of squares is given. Now x square plus x square plus 2x plus 1, solving it, it will be here, is equal to 61. 2x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 61. So 2x square plus 2x, here it will be forming minus 60 is equal to 0. यहाँ पर minus 961. Again x square plus x minus 30 is equal to 0. Now we may solve it. So 30 बचा 30. Such factors that form the subtraction equal to 1. तो 6 5 जा 30 होता है, तो 6 minus 5 is equal to 1 आएगा. We may apply it here. So x square plus 6x minus 5x plus that was 30 equal to 0. X into x plus 6 minus 5 into x plus 6 is equal to 0. And finally, x plus 6 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. It will give x minus 6 plus 5. So obviously 5 would be its answer because we have positive integers. So x plus 1 would be equal to 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. These are two answers. Let me fill it up. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस सी इट। यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं सम ऑफ टू पॉजिटिव कंसेक्यूटिव इंटीजर्स का स्क्वायर का सम है इज इक्वल टू 61। वी नीड टू फाइंड इट देम आउट। लेट इंटीजर्स आर x and x plus 1 because these are consecutive integers. Now according to the question, x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 61. So x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 61. Now यहाँ पर 2 times plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 61. 61 को इस तरफ हम लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ले जाएंगे. So 2x square plus 2x minus 60 is equal to 0. X square plus x minus 30 is equal to 0, dividing both the sides by 2. X square plus 6x minus 5x minus 30 is equal to 0 because 30 has such factors 6 and 5 that made 6 minus 5 equal to 1. X is common in both of them, so x plus 6. 5 is common, minus 5 into x plus 6. X plus 6 into x minus 5. It is x is equal to minus 6, 5 and x plus 1 equal to 6. In this way, everyone, the question is solved. So everyone, the lecture ends here, and one more important thing is actually practice makes a man perfect. So you need to actually practice more and more regarding any subject, maybe mathematics or else. Thing is when we practice the exercises, so we just be familiar with the subject and things go easy very soon. So the practice is only solution that we may follow, and after that definitely you may become a great mathematician or you just acquire knowledge regarding any subject. Thank you so much, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you so much.